Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting Sqlite schema from Sqlite database into Excel file. So basically, on my computer I have a Sqlite file. Let me show it to you. It's just Sqlite viewer. It's free app. It's quickly showing what is inside the Sqlite tables. So you can see I have a couple of tables like category, customer, with fields. And what I want to do, I want to create documentation for this specific database into Excel file, showing which table contains which column of which type, just like for documentation purposes. If you're looking for converting Sqlite to Excel Sqlite data, exporting Sqlite data to Excel, it's like different application. I can show it to you on my page. So, but right now I will show how to use application for exporting schema. It's just for documentation purposes. Like if I want to send documentation, what is how database is organized, what type of the fields to someone, I can do it. So to download application, I will download it from my website. This is my website. To find app, I will click on search and type Sqlite. Yeah, for example, if I want to convert Sqlite to Excel, I will use this one. It will convert data. But what I want to convert schema, which is basically documentation. So I'll click on this. Scroll down to Sqlite to Excel. Click on download button to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded from Google Cloud. I'll be recording more videos on Sqlite schema application or not Sqlite application. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's wait while this archive will be downloaded. It's very small archive. You can see downloaded almost immediately. It's 6 megabytes. Sorry. So I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on the Messiah inside the archive to start installation and click more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, install, click on yes on the screen and click on finish. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll have to select Sqlite file. So I'll click on this button, navigate to my Sqlite. I know it's in database, in documents, and click on it, click on open. I can add multiple Sqlite files if I want to create combined Excel with everything in it. But for demonstration purposes, let's create just one for one Sqlite database. Click on next. There are no conversion options here yet. Click on next step. And on final step, just click run conversion to create it. And you can see it's asking me for name of result name and file result file name and location. So this name and location is okay. Just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I don't have Excel on my computer. I have Excel mobile. It's like a free version of Excel, but it's showing what is inside Excel file. But I'm not allowing to change anything, and it's connecting to the internet for some reason. I don't know why. Let's try this. So, and basically to use this application, you don't have to Excel or Office installed. So you can see problem with this Excel mobile thing is that I cannot properly resize columns just to show you what is inside, but you can see that specific table, like category table, has specific field name, type, primary key. If it's primary key, it will be yes. If it's not null, it will be yes too. And description. It's pre-generated description. It's what I can change it to make it different if I'd like to. And this is the same for every table we have in Sqlite database. So yeah, basically that's it. It just contains all information about tables. It's like documentation for every specific tables into Excel format. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.